My name is Jie Zhou. I give the course 3D printing. The course is actually about additive manufacturing technology that is particularly suitable for making advanced personalized medical devices. This is a 3D metal printer. It is based on selective laser melting technology. It can produce really complex structures as what in my hand. It is a highly porous structure for scaffolds. The course is composed of a series of lectures and assignments. In the lectures, we tell students the working principle of each of the 3D printing processes, its advantages, and especially its limitations. And we also introduce the state-of-art research activities in our group using 3D printing technology to develop new medical devices. In this way, students can gain not only knowledge, but also practical experience. If you are curious about 3D printing technology, come to join us in this very, very interesting course.